Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a client portal in ClickUp. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Now, keep your client communication strictly separate from your internal operations to protect company privacy. Now, go to your left-hand sidebar menu and find your client workspace. Click the icon and create a new folder. So you will see here plus icon, click on it and then click on folder. Name it after your client. So let's say Howdy is my client. Now inside the folder we have here, we can add a description. So yeah, let's create it. Okay, now what we can do, we can create basically two lists. So one list can be, for example, client dashboard, like so. Okay. And then we can also add another one. And we will go here to the new status. And we can add deliverables and feedback. Something like that, for example. And just like that. All right. And we have it. Okay, so I need to fix this like why I can do that. Okay, so let's try again. All right. And now I want to add another one, which is client dashboard right over here. Okay, so now as you can see, we have two right over here. So now instead of showing your client a confusing list of technical tasks, build a clean visual landing page. So click on your client's folder, look at the top menu bar, and you can click view right here. Select dashboard. From the view option, and right here, as I show you in previous video, how to create dashboard, you have here basically all the information that you need and that your client also need. Before you're sharing anything, ensure your client cannot accidentally see internal team chat or billing details. What you are going to do is click the three dots next to the client's folder or list in the sidebar. And then what you're going to do is you will click on sharing and permissions right here and make sure your internal team members are listed as full and or edit access, and ensure no external users have default access yet. So you have here default permissions, full edit comment, view only. So this is, I think, the best option that you can do right here. And after you are good to go, you can just click here at the top right corner, share button, and yeah, you will send this to your client. And this is pretty much it, how you can create a client portal in ClickUp. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next